Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, and if you need to find the fuse for the vacuum pump, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses relays when you're having problems with certain components such as vacuum pumps, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll cover all that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a Dodge Charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. This specifically, guys, is a Dodge Charger 3.6 engine, but even if you have the 5.7, 6.2, I think some of them are even 6.4, it will work as well. So you have right here, that's your fuse box. You can see there's a fuse box. So right here and here you have two notches. You press them like that, you pull it out, flip it on that side, and the fuse layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here, as you can see. So what do we need to check now? We need to check two fuses. It's super important to test your fuses, guys, because fuses now, sometimes you may not be able to tell if they're burnt or not, so always test them. Relays as well. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays in practically a few minutes. You will be able to know that. It's very simple procedure. The first fuse that you need to check for the vacuum pump is fuse number 39, guys. Okay, we're talking about that fuse right here. That fuse, first fuse on the right side, that's a vacuum pump fuse. Now, you have one more fuse that you need to check. You may have this one, you may not. But it's that fuse right here. I'm talking about fuse number 51. Vacuum pump fuse, guys. That fuse needs to be checked as well. That's a 20 amp fuse for our specific model. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys, to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.